How to download your PayPal account data. So let's begin the video. Once you log into your PayPal account, you need to click the profile name. And next, in the drop-down menu, click Profile Settings tab. Next, in PayPal Profile Settings page, in the left of the screen, click here, and enter Data and Privacy section. Under Manage Your Data section, you have the option to create a request to download your PayPal account data. Here, you have the personal and financial data already selected. Below, you can select the format in which you want the data. PDF is more preferred. And finally, submit request to download your PayPal account data. And done. It will take some time, about 24 hours to compile the copy, but sometime it takes around 30 days too. You will get an email when the copy of the data to download is ready. The copy of your PayPal account data can be downloaded in the message center of PayPal account once it's ready. You can click these downloadable PDF files and download a copy of PayPal account data in PDF form. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates.